When you think hostas, you probably think shade gardens and some of those favorite hostas passed along to you from family and friends. But there are so many new varieties available, sure to brighten up your shade gardens, add some interest with their leaf form, shape, and growth habit. I'm here at Pasquesi to talk about a few of the many they have available that I'm sure you're going to want to add to your garden. I know I do. Next to me is Blue Angel. Look at this big beauty. One of the biggest hostas. Grows about 3 feet tall, and when in bloom, those spikes are 4 feet high. The flowers of hostas attract hummingbirds, and the seeds feed the juncos, so worth the flowers for you to enjoy as well as attract the hummingbirds. Sum and Substance is another large one with the big leaves that can be 16 inches long. The leaf color changes depending on the sunlight, from chartreuse to gold, a little more limey green. It's another big hosta with lavender flowers and known for its sun tolerance. Hostas will take sun as long as you keep them moist. Keep them in some shade, especially in the afternoon. They're much lower maintenance. Patriot has beautiful blue-green leaves with a creamy margin, selected as a hosta of the year because of its excellent growth habit and low maintenance, and lavender flowers. I like Fire Island. I think this one's going home with me. The red petioles really contrast nicely with the chartreuse leaves, adding that bright element that you need in that shade garden, just brightening up that shady spot in the landscape. Crosso Regal is another one. What's interesting about this one is vase shape, so it's more upright, adding a unique growth habit to the landscape. Nice blue-green leaves with substance like the others, so it tends to be more slug resistant. And Wide Brim has some nice blue-green leaves with creamy margins that turn more green in the shade. And don't forget about El Nino. El Nino is another one with blue-green leaves and a creamy margin. And the flowerscapes are held about 20 inches over the plant. So as you can see, you could have a very interesting garden with nothing but hostas. Select a few of these with a unique color, match them to your landscape design, and you're sure to have a beautiful garden in the shade that'll bring you joy all season long.